Introducing the new automatic ribbon pasting machine from Kylin Machine Company. Designed for high efficiency, it automatically cuts ribbons to a fixed length. It applies hot melt glue and seamlessly pastes the ribbon directly inside the box. Watch the smooth, automated process as it handles each piece with precision. Here are the beautifully finished products, perfect for jewelry, wine, and cosmetic boxes. Slow motion, the robotic arm securely grabs the ribbon while the heating wire cuts it cleanly. Slow motion, the precision glue gun accurately sprays hot melt glue exactly where needed. Slow motion detail, firmly and perfectly pressing the ribbon into the box, ensuring a secure, elegant, and professional finish every single time. Slow motion, spraying glue and expertly pressing the ribbon onto hardcover paperboard. Experience the smooth, high-speed, continuous process of ribbon pasting onto flat cases. Boosting production at 20 to 25 pieces per minute, compatible with silk, satin, and polyester ribbons. Upgrade your packaging automation today with Kylin Machine Company.